Looking for True RMS multimeters? Our electrical appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 best True RMS multimeters available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect multimeters for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get starting at number 5 on our list. We have the Fluke 115 Compact True RMS Digital Multimeter. This is the best multimeter for electronics that we tried, thanks to accurately measuring a number of important metrics, including true RMS, resistance, continuity, frequency and capacitance, among others. We also love the Cat 3 600-volt safety rating and the high durability, as this multimeter has been shock, drop and humidity tested. We also found the bright LED backlight to be of particular use, especially while conducting measurements in poorly lit areas, such as basements. Though we were impressed by the large number of measurements this multimeter was able to accurately display, we did notice that it is not equipped to measure microamps. Additionally, it can conduct a hardpoint test lead measurement, but the set is sold separately. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list, we have the Atexity Digital Multimeter, Voltage Tester Volt-Ohm-Amp Meter with Continuity. This is a budget-friendly multimeter that doesn't skimp on the high-end features, as it includes a protective rubber sleeve for drop protection and a built-in support stand that allows for hands-free use. We found this to be one of the best multimeters at a low price, thanks to accurate AC/DC voltage ratings, in addition to accurately measuring resistance, diode functionality and continuity, among other metrics. While this multimeter accurately measures DC current, it does not do the same for AC current, though it does measure AC voltage. Also, this multimeter is not OL listed and features no global safety certifications, unlike our top pick. At number 3 on our list, we have the AstroEye Digital Multimeter TRMS 4000 counts with DC-AC voltmeter and auto-ranging fast accurately measures voltage. This multimeter ships with a 9V battery and includes multiple functionalities intended to maximize battery life, including a low battery indicator and an auto shutdown feature that powers down the unit after 15 minutes of inactivity. We also love that it accurately measures both AC/DC voltage and AC/DC current, among others useful metrics, and that it features a bright backlight and kickstand. Though we were impressed by the durable exterior on this multimeter, it does not ship with a carrying case, so we'd advise caution. Additionally, this multimeter does not measure hybrid parameter forward current gain, common emitter, otherwise known as Phi, so it is not useful for measuring the DC gain of a junction transistor. At number 2 on our list, we have the KAWS Digital Multimeter TRMS 6000 counts ohm meter auto-ranging fast accurately measures. This is the best multimeter under $100, thanks to a number of safety features, including a double ceramic fuse, a thermistor protection circuit and a highly durable temperature-resistant silicone case. To that end, it features multiple safety certifications, as it is IEC-rated Cat 3 1000V, Cat IV 600V, C and RoHS certified. We also love the automobile-centric readings this multimeter can conduct, including battery checking and liquid temperature reading, in addition to standard measurements such as AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, continuity, frequency, capacitance, and diode. Though we appreciated the built-in kickstand for hands-free operation, we did notice that this multimeter is heavier than most on this list, clocking in at 1.3 pounds. Also, this multimeter does not ship with a carrying case, so we'd advise that you purchase one separately. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Crenova MS8233D Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter. This multimeter comes with a removable rubber holster, significantly increasing this multimeter's durability rating, as this holster is designed to prevent against shock and accidental drops. We also love this multimeter's measurement capabilities, which include AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, frequency and continuity, among other metrics. The auto shutdown functionality, which helps to preserve battery life, was also appreciated. Though this multimeter has some built-in features to further increase safety, such as overload protection, it does not boast any safety certifications. Additionally, the included backlight is not as bright as some models we tested, though it was adequate in most situations. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.